Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google AI Studio to Zapier. You'll learn how to link Google's Gemini tools from Google AI Studio to a Zap in Zapier so your automations can generate outputs like images. We'll start on Zapier Home, pick the right action, and securely add your API key. On Zapier's homepage, click Create to start a new automation, then choose Zaps. This opens a draft Zap where you can define what happens after your trigger fires. In the editor, go to the Action section. The action is what your Zap will do in response to a trigger. Select the action card to choose the app that will run the task. In the app search box, type Google AI Studio or Gemini, then select Google AI Studio, Gemini from the results. This connects your workflow to Google's Gemini models for the action step. Next, open the Choose an Event menu and pick Generate Image. This event lets your Zap send a prompt to Gemini and receive an image output. You can change events later, but for this setup, we'll continue with Generate Image. Now it's time to connect your account. Click Connect Google AI Studio, Gemini. A window appears asking for an API key, which is how Zapier authenticates to your Google AI Studio project. When prompted, paste your API key. If you don't have it ready, follow the on-screen instructions to copy the key from your Google AI Studio account, then return to Zapier and paste it in. Copy the full key exactly and avoid extra spaces. Keep it private and store it securely. Never share it publicly. After you paste the key, confirm to continue. Zapier will validate the key and save the connection. Once connected, you'll be able to configure the fields for Generate Image and use Gemini within your Zap as the action step. And that's it. You started on Zapier Home, created a new Zap, set the action to Google AI Studio, Gemini, chose Generate Image, and connected your API key by following the on-screen steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any part as you set up your own connection.